Hello students, today we shall discuss about reproduction in human beings. Yes, humans reproduce by sexual method. In this method, the male reproductive cells fuse with the female reproductive cell. But when do these males and females start producing reproductive cells? Human starts producing reproducing cells by the beginning of the period called puberty. Puberty is the period during which the adolescent reach sexual maturity and become capable of reproduction. At what age do boys and girls enter puberty? There is no specific age, but they enter into puberty by adolescence. Adolescence is the stage between childhood and adulthood. How do we know that the puberty has started in someone? We can notice the onset of puberty in boys and girls with some noticeable changes happening in their bodies. Some changes are common among boys and girls. We began to notice thick hair growing in new parts of the body such as the armpits and genital area between the thighs. Thinner hairs can also appear on legs and arms as well as on the face. The skin frequently becomes oily and we might begin to develop pimples. But there are certain changes observed only in boys. Thick hair growth on the face and their voice become crack, and further the penis occasionally begin to become enlarged and erect. In girls, the breast size begin to increase with the darkening of the skin of the nipples at the tip of the breast. Also, girls begin to menstruate. All these changes take place over a long period of time. They do not happen at an exact age. It depends upon their hormonal level and genetics of the individual. As people are different in general body features like height, weight, skin color, nose shape, etc. In some way, we are different in secondary sexual characters like body hair, mustache, beard, penis size, breast size, etc. How these changes are linked to the reproductive process. The changes in puberty helps in the process of reproduction and childbirth. For example, the body hair growth pattern are signals that shows sexual maturity of the individual. The erection of penis helps in the deposition of germ cell in the female reproductive system. The menstrual cycle is the indication of the ovulation and the condition of uterus. The enlargement of breast is for the breastfeeding of the baby if born.